How to make a Grimoire Spellbook journal. Print the printable journal kit. It comes with PDF or JPG files. Follow the next steps to see how to add it to a journal book. Repurpose an old journal or get a new one. You can even make a booklet. You can do full page or half page. See show notes for details. Trim off any edges using a paper cutter or scissors. Glue it to the printed pages to the book pages. Do this by putting glue on the back side of the printable. Flip it over and add it to the book page. Smooth it out with a bone folder or brayer. Remove excess glue. Remove excess glue and lay wax paper between the drying pages. To assemble the book binding, glue a print on the inside cover. Add glue inside the binding and before sealing it closed, add and glue another print to the opposite page. Close the binding area and put weight and support while the journal dries.
I'm going to fix this right here. When it's done, it will go together and then there'll be another page right here. Let's see. This has wax paper on it so it doesn't stick while it's drying. It's super sticky and I'm using this to flatten the pages. Page that I'm actually going to glue next. Put glue on and flip it over. But yeah, that's what I'm doing.